Hey guys, so congratulations if you have come this far. We have covered a lot. We have covered how Facebook ads work. We have covered what assets you need, how to create those assets, how to create the ad copies, how to create images. And now we are finally getting started with our campaign creations, right? So what you need to do is, first of all, you can come over to the website called adsmanager.facebook.com. That's the website you need to go to in order to create the campaign. And if you have followed the steps in the video where I showed how to create all the assets you need, you have obviously created a Facebook ads account. And then what you need to do is just come over to your ads manager. So I'm already in my ads manager. So I'm just going to close that other tab. And when you're in the ads manager, by going to adsmanager.facebook.com, you'll be brought here. You need to make sure that you are under the right ad account. So if you remember the name when you created the Facebook ad account, you need to be under that ad account to be able to create your campaign. And in this process, if you face any issues, do message us on the group, on the community, and we'll be able to help you out. Any kind of issue you have, we are more than happy to help you out with, with your entire process. I'd be happy to help you out. It makes me really happy teaching someone and seeing the results, having them see the results and get the results. So let's just go ahead and create our own campaign. Let's start by hitting this create option. Now this is the campaign, right? If you remember when I explained the campaign structure, there are campaigns in the account. Each campaign will have multiple ad sets, and the campaign defines the goal. The ad sets define the audience, the budget and everything, and the ads define what you are gonna show your users and target audience. So it's the campaign level. So we are going to determine our goal. Our goal will be leads. We need more leads for our clinic, right? So we'll hit continue. And now Facebook's going to say, go ahead with our recommended settings. But in this case, I like doing a manual leads campaign. It gives me more control. So I'll hit continue, and it's going to give me the campaign structure. As you can see, this is my campaign. Under this campaign, there's only one ad set, which is fine. Under that ad set, there's only one ad, which is also fine. So I can name my campaign. I'll just call it leads campaign. And here you don't have to touch anything else. Just leave it as it is. This is the default setting. This is what we need. Hitting next, we will go to our ad set level. And you can, by the way, click on this on the left side menu and go to the ad set level as well. And I will call this pure cold, because our targeting, this is where we define the targeting. Our targeting will be cold, right? So because we will be reaching out to our local audience, we don't have to do very specific type of lookalike, interest-based stack. We'll just do pure cold campaign. This works actually very well. So in this case, we will select our conversion location. So we are gonna have people fill out an instant form, which will be created inside the Facebook account, inside the Facebook page. So if they click on the ad, they go to the form inside Facebook and they fill it out, and then you get their information. That's all you need to do. Now here, it's gonna for the first time when you're creating your very first campaign, it's gonna ask you to view the terms and conditions and just go through everything and hit accept. That's gonna take out the error that you were just seeing. Don't freak out if you see anything like that. If you are really stuck, just put a screenshot of that, put it in the community, and I'll be able to help you out. Anyway, here there's an option. You don't have to touch anything else. We've chosen the instant form. We have accepted the terms and conditions. Now we will go ahead and turn on dynamic creatives. What it does is it allows you to update more than one ad copy, more than one headline, and more than one ad image in your single ad. So the algorithm decides which one's actually performing better, right? Okay, daily budget. So I recommend having a daily budget of 35 in each ad set. So this is the ad set. We are determining what to do with the locations, budgets, demographics, everything. So I don't recommend going under 35 a day, or like worst case scenario, 30 a day. You don't have to touch anything there. Audience control. Here's where you need to define your audience location. So if you have a clinic, it depends on you really how you serve. Most clinics we deal with have a good targeting range of 10-mile radius, sometimes 20-mile radius. It goes up to 50 or 60 in some cases, but you can just go ahead and remove this. By default, it's going to show your location because I'm in the United Kingdom. That's why it's showing me United Kingdom. But you can just type for a city. So I live in Chelmsford, so I'll just do Chelmsford, Essex, and then you could just go further, zoom in, and then let's say I just live here. So I'll just remove this and I'll drop a pin here. So this is basically me targeting 10 miles around. In your case, it will be 10 miles around your clinic. It could be more, it could be less. You have the answer to this because you can ask your patients how long are they willing to drive, or how far they're willing to actually go to in order to take that service, right? So once you are done with deciding how much location you're targeting, and obviously you'll be able to see how much your audience size is. So my audience size is 220,000 to 259,000, which is decent. The more people you target, the less you're likely to spend, because Facebook algorithm works with more data. So the more data you can give this the ability to work with, the better for you. Now here, I don't want to touch anything. I want to just leave it as it is. Placements is also fine. Advantage placements, which is fine. We don't have to touch anything here. We let Facebook decide where they want to show our ads, and obviously based on results. We're done with our ad set. Now let's go to the ad. So I'll just call it ad. This is our ad, and this is where we define what our ad looks like. Now this is our page. In your case, it will be your clinic's page. And if you have set up everything just like in the setup video I showed, you should have a pretty similar view like this. And here it's going to go to add creative section. We don't have to touch anything else. Just leave it as it is. If you have images, just click on images. And now I'll just open the images I have on another screen of mine. I'll just drop everything here. And these are all images. If you want to upload videos, you just need to select video and then dump all your files here. As you can see, all are being uploaded, and I'll just literally select them all because I'm doing a dynamic ad campaign. I'm giving multiple ads to select from. So I'll just upload them all. And as you can see, these are all uploaded all nicely. And trust me, guys, this is not a basic way of setting Facebook ads up. This is actually an advanced way. I'm teaching you everything, really. There's nothing else you can learn. I mean, there's a lot of things you can learn. There's a lot of things I can learn, but this is more than what you need to get started. This is a lot, right? Okay, so we have uploaded the images. Now we need to upload the primary texts, which is what you see. And as you can see in the right side, as I keep building the campaign, as I keep building the ad, it's starting to generate the preview of what it will pretty much look like on Facebook when we actually start running the campaign. Now let's start uploading our primary text. So if you remember, in the last video we did the ad copies. I think it was not the last video, the one before that. So here are some demo ad copies I did exactly using that prompt I shared with you in for ChatGPT. So I'll just dump this. This is my offer, and make sure it matches up. Make sure the offer you have, mine is not matching up because I'm just giving you an example, but make sure yours add up, everything match properly. So that's the ad copy 2. And by the way, the limit to how many primary texts you can have per ad for dynamic creatives is 5. So I'll just do another text option. And then 3. Just give it everything it needs, right? So add text option, another one. And Facebook's going to decide by creating variations of these ads. Facebook's going to decide which one works better. So the more variations you're able to share with Facebook, the better for you and the better for Facebook as well. So that's it, right? And now for headlines. So I'll just do book a consultation, anything that interests people. Get one of the headlines should be your offer. Schedule your session. Get rid of pain. Amazing adjustments. That's it. You don't have to do descriptions. You don't have to do display links. Maybe you show your website or something, but it's not important. So I'll just do learn more, and here you can just put your own website. So I'll just do something like that. So this one shows up like really nice in Facebook. And here, the final step is you need to create a form so people can click on the ad and fill out, so you have their details. So let's go ahead and create a form. So I'll just call it lead form, and I'll give today's date. So I'll just do 1 November. And the form type will be more volume, so we need as many form submissions as possible. So I'll hit next. Intro. So here I'll just do book your consultation. And in the paragraph, I'll just do whatever looks best for you, but I'll just do this. And then I'll just do next. And here you can just put some qualifying questions like multiple choice. So what do you need help with? So these are questions that Facebook will ask them before they actually leave their details, which qualifies them a bit. So you get a bit better quality leads. So I'll just do back pain, neck pain, more like knee pain, maybe sciatica as well, or other. So these are the questions. These are the options. And one more question will be, what's your age, right? And that's a short answer question. And here you'll just say description. So this phase is all about entering details. So you'll just say your information is 100% secure. And here it's asking for email and name. So I'll just drag name on top of email, and then I'll add phone number as well. So I'm asking for full name, email, phone number. So they'll click on the ad, they'll be asked, what do you need help with? And then a few options. And then the second question is, what's your age? You have to answer that. And then the next step is enter your name, email, phone number. Okay. Once that's done, add your privacy policy link. So that's basically you can add your website link if needed. So just leave it like that and just say, visit our website for privacy policy. You don't have to add any custom disclaimer. Go to website. So thanks, you're all set. That's the thank you page. That's when someone submits the form. We will contact you as soon as we receive your query on our desk. And here you just enter your website URL, and you can check mark this option, which will start a conversation with them on Messenger. But you can, let's just leave it open and create form. That's it. That's all you need to do. So let's go ahead and start from the very beginning again. That's our review phase now. Our ads are created. So this is the campaign. We have defined the goal, which is leads. So we need more leads. That's how it's showing up here. Okay, that's fine. The second step is the ad set, where we define what we want our user to do in terms of taking action. So that's the action. We want them to fill out an instant form on Facebook. That's our page. And we want our ads as dynamic creatives. So we will just be creating one ad with a lot of variations. Facebook will decide what to do with them and how to best serve them to my target audience. That's the budget. Again, 35 minimum, or maybe worst case scenario 30. And then that's our location. You can set a specific mile radius. No need to do any audience suggestion, advantage audience, like specify the audience. No need to specify the placements as well. Go to next. That's our ad. So we put some images, like 9 of them. We've put 5 different ad copies, which is the primary text, which is what people see in here on the text section of the post. Yeah, okay. And that's our 5 headlines. We don't have to type descriptions. That's our website link. And then finally, we created a lead form. And now, once it's done, just hit publish. It's gonna go ahead and ask you if you haven't connected your card, so Facebook can charge you for the ad spend. It's gonna ask you, like, it's gonna ask me now to connect my card details. Once you've connected your card details, you're good to go. Your campaign will be live, and you'll soon get a notification, hopefully saying that your ads have been approved and they're ready to be displayed. Again, do not hesitate to ask us any question in the community, and I will be personally there for you to help. Any question you have, anywhere you stuck, just put a screenshot or just put an image. Just take a photo through your phone and then put it in the community. I am there to help you out. So that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully your campaign runs well. Hopefully your campaign gets published well. I will see you in the next one.